How to set up two-factor authentication on your account on Twitch PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple. Just go to Twitch. This is the home page. Now all what you have to do is simple. Go to the top corner and click on your profile picture. Now go down here and click on settings. After you click on settings, all what you have to do now is simple. Just click on security and privacy right here and scroll down. You will find this two-factor authentication option and click on set up two-factor authentication from here and click enable 2FA. Now add your phone number and you will be able to add it easily. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.